So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then write out stories inside of Kimi, that is generate stories as necessary. So to do that, you can simply give it a line. Let's say, for example, generate a story of about a boy who becomes successful by using generative AI in Vietnam, right here, just like this. So I just kept it a line right here, and then once you do that, it says, once upon a time in a bustling city in Vietnam, there was a young boy named Min. He lived in a small apartment with his parents and younger sister, and Min was curious and ambitious child and always eager to learn and explore new things. So you can see that this is what you have. And then he says he spent weeks learning about the different types of generative AI models and how they could be used to create everything from art to music to complex algorithms. So you can see that a whole story is here. And it says, today Ming is celebrated figure in Vietnam's tech community. His innovations have improved the lives of countless people and he has become a role model for young entrepreneurs and technologists across the country. He often speaks at schools and universities, inspiring the next generation to embrace the power of generative AI and use it to create a brighter future for all. So you can see that this is how you can generate out stories by using Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.